Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, we will be discussing with you about what is Gorilla Glass, how is it manufactured, how different is Gorilla Glass when compared to normal glass, and many other details about Gorilla Glass in detail and in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. Guys, before jumping on to what is Gorilla Glass and how is it manufactured, let's take a look at how glass is manufactured. Glass is actually a mixture of silicon dioxide, sodium carbonate and quicklime. This manufacturing process is known as aluminosilicate process, and the resulting substance that we get from this aluminosilicate process is called the glass. This glass is the same glass that we see daily on our doors, windows and many other household substances. But there is one problem about this glass, is that it is not strong and it is not durable too. Corning, an American multinational company which specializes in the manufacture of specialized glasses, ceramic materials and other products, manufactured a special type of glass called Gorilla Glass. This Gorilla Glass is highly durable when compared to the normal glass. So what different did they do in the manufacturing of the Gorilla Glass? Let's take a look. Every glass has two different layers called the compression layer and the tension layer. The phenomenon of breaking of glass happens when the pressure on the tension layer will increase by a very large extent. And the manufacturer of Gorilla Glass will make sure that the pressure on the tension layer is decreased and hence will be more durable than normal glass. The Gorilla Glass is manufactured by a process called the ion exchange process. As you guys remember earlier, the normal glass is manufactured by a process called aluminosilicate process. The normal glass manufacturing process using the aluminosilicate process uses sodium ions, but Corning, using the ion exchange process, replaced the sodium ions with the potassium ions at a very high compression rate. Since the potassium ions were replacing the sodium ions at a very high compression rate, the external shocks or the damages that might affect the glass will not hit the tension layers. Hence, the damages or the breakage that might cause the normal glass will be resisted in the Gorilla Glass. This is what makes Gorilla Glass different from the normal glass. So we got to know that Gorilla Glass is manufactured by a process called ion exchange process, and it is highly durable. And a very important fact is Gorilla Glass is used on more than 1 billion devices worldwide. Just not that, Gorilla Glass is also used on the windshield of cars. It is also used on the glasses of skyscrapers. And so Gorilla Glass is a very powerful and a highly popular product worldwide. There are many other competitors to the Gorilla Glass, such as the Asahi Dragon Trail glass, Sapphire glass and many other glasses as such. But there will be one question that might arise in the mind of you viewers, that is Gorilla Glass damage proof? The answer from our side is Gorilla Glass is not damage proof. It is certainly damage resistant up to a certain extent, but no glass in the world is damage proof. Glass is glass and glass breaks. So it is very important for you guys to protect your devices and gadgets using a tempered glass, which will cost very much less when compared to the screen repairs. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos as this one. We have produced over 111 videos on our channel. Please check out other very interesting videos on our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes on air. Your support is really important for us guys. Thank you very much.